The dark web is one of the most mysterious places on the internet. Many people imagine it as a hidden world full of hackers, secret markets, and anonymous users who operate beyond the reach of normal search engines. But the truth is, accessing the dark web isn't illegal in many countries. What matters is how you access it and what you do once you're there. Without proper precautions, curious visitors can easily expose their identity, location, or personal data. Today, we'll explore the top 5 safest ways people protect themselves while accessing the dark web, and why these security steps are absolutely essential before entering this hidden part of the internet. The first and most common method for accessing the dark web safely is by using the Tor browser. Tor, which stands for the Onion Router, is designed to hide your identity by routing your internet connection through multiple encrypted servers around the world. Instead of connecting directly to a website, your traffic travels through several layers of relays, making it extremely difficult for anyone to trace your location. Because of this multi-layer encryption system, Tor has become the standard gateway for accessing .onion websites that don't appear on normal search engines. However, while Tor provides anonymity, it should never be used alone without additional security precautions. Even though Tor hides your browsing path, many experts recommend adding another layer of protection by using a virtual private network, or VPN, before opening the Tor browser. A VPN encrypts your internet connection and hides your real IP address from your internet service provider. This means your ISP cannot see that you are connecting to the Tor network. When combined with Tor, the VPN acts as the first protective shield, making it much harder for anyone to track your activity or identify your real location. Think of it as placing a protective mask over another protective mask. Another important safety practice used by cybersecurity professionals is accessing the dark web on a separate device or operating system. Many experienced users avoid logging in from their personal computer that contains sensitive data. Instead, they use an isolated system or a temporary environment designed specifically for anonymous browsing. This reduces the risk of malware infections or data leaks that could compromise personal files, passwords, or financial information. Keeping your main device completely separate creates an additional barrier between you and potential threats on the dark web. One of the biggest dangers on the dark web is malicious scripts or hidden files designed to reveal your identity or infect your system. Safe users avoid clicking unknown links, downloading random files, or enabling scripts in their browser. Many dark web security guides recommend keeping the browser security level set to its highest settings, which blocks potentially harmful scripts from running automatically. This simple step dramatically reduces the risk of tracking attempts or malware attacks that are common on unverified websites. The dark web is full of unknown and sometimes dangerous websites, which is why experienced users rely only on trusted directories and verified links. Instead of randomly searching for hidden websites, they use well-known lists or directories that provide safer access points. This helps avoid scam sites, fake marketplaces, or malicious pages designed to trap inexperienced visitors. Being cautious about where you go and which links you open is one of the most effective ways to stay safe in the hidden layers of the internet. The dark web may sound mysterious and intimidating, but understanding how anonymity and cybersecurity tools work can make a huge difference in protecting yourself online. Using Tor, combining it with VPN, browsing from a separate device, blocking dangerous scripts, and relying on trusted sources are some of the most important precautions taken by people who explore this hidden part of the internet. Remember, the internet always leaves traces, and the safest approach is to stay informed, stay cautious, and never explore blindly.